Alt+R. With the move Reaper V7.0 track view.
Hi, my name is Lucas, and I'm going to go over some basic editing in Reaper with JAWS. So I love Reaper because it allows me to convert Zoom meetings into mp3 files. I can record audio from my computer, from YouTube, from Zoom meetings, from music, and then I can upload them to Reaper and edit the files into exactly what I want. So today I'm going to describe how you can start a Zoom meeting, share your computer sound, navigate to YouTube, record audio from YouTube, and then upload it to Reaper and edit it so that it is perfect. It has no audio in the beginning that is unrelated to the YouTube video, nor at the end. So let us get started. I have Reaper open. I have maximized my window.
Maximized.
And the first thing I'm going to do is upload my audio. So I'm going to press Alt F.
Alt F. File menu. New project.
And then I'm going to right arrow to insert menu.
Edit menu. Pause menu bar. View menu. Insert menu. Media file. Insert M.
And that is exactly what I want to insert a media file. So I'll press enter.
Enter. Leaving menus. Track view. Track list. Import file into
I will
Explore. Not selected. Blood and Thunder. V. Video 1,700,000. Enter. Track view. Track list.
So
Track view.
there are tons of different kinds of file types you can add to Reaper. You can do .wav, .mp3, .mp4. The possibilities are endless. And now did it upload?
One video 1,700,000.
It did. So first thing I'm going to do now is change my time unit from bars and beats to minutes and seconds. So I'll press Alt V.
Alt V. View menu. Master track control.
And then I will up arrow.
Full screen F11. Always on top. Go to submenu. Zoom submenus. Time unit for ruler submenu T.
And this is what I'm looking for. Time unit. I'll right arrow.
Minutes colon seconds M.
That's what I want. I'll press enter.
Enter. Leaving menus. Minutes colon seconds.
And now all I have to do is press Control Home.
0.0.
And we will play to see how much time I need to cut out from the beginning.
Play. Alt+R. Left parent 100. Left parent. K. Stop.
So that's about 4 seconds, I believe. So I'll start at the beginning.
0.
I will press page down. No. Page up to go down the track.
2.000 sec. 4.000 sec.
And just to double check, I will press spacebar from here to play it to see if this is where I want to start.
Play. Stop.
And it is perfect. So I will go back to the beginning with Control Home.
0.
And now I will press I'll press left bracket to set the selection start.
Set selection start.
That is perfect. Now I will right arrow. Not right arrow. I will page down twice to get to 4 seconds in.
2.000. 4.000 sec.
And then I'm going to right arrow just a tiny bit to get a little more.
4.010 sec. 4.020 sec.
Perfect. And now I will do right bracket.
Set selection end.
So now that I have time selected, I will split it with Shift S.
S. One item added. Track view.
And you heard one item added. So now what I need to do is get rid of that time I just split. So I will use Control, left, and right arrow to select the items within the track.
2 video 1,786. 1 video 1 billion.
So 1, this is item 1. So this is what I need, and I will press delete.
1 item removed.
And now let's try and press play.
0. Play. Stop.
So you notice, even though that time was removed, it is still there. It's almost like ghost time because the other item is still in the same place on the track. So what we need to do is we need to move this item to the beginning. And the way we do that is we have to open the item properties. So we have to make sure it is selected. So Control left or right arrow.
One video, 1,786,000,000.
And I will press Alt F.
Alt F, file menu, new project.
And I'll right arrow to item.
Edit menu, view menu, insert menu, item menu, remove items, R.
And then I will up arrow one time.
Media sub menu.
And press P for properties.
P, item properties, P.
And I'll press enter.
Leaving menus, track view, edit, video 1. OK, button. Position, edit, 0.
And I will tab to position. I will delete what is in here.
0, blank.
And then I will add 0.0.
0, period, 0.
And then I will shift tab back to OK.
OK, button. Enter, track view, track list.
And now if I do Control Home.
0.00.
And press play.
Play. Stop.
Now it starts from the beginning. But there is still the moment at the end where I had to turn the recording off, so I need to also edit that out. So I will do Control End this time.
1 min 37.079 sec. 37.079 sec.
So I'm at the end, and I will now do page up to get, I think, let's try 2 seconds.
35.079 sec.
And let's press play.
Play. KK screen sharing meeting controls to move to an pause.
So I need to go back a little further than that.
37.079 sec. 35.033.079 sec.
So let's try from here.
Play. Hey. Stop.
So if I go 4 seconds backwards, that is too far. So I will use the arrow keys and adjust it like that.
37.
So I went to the end again with Control Home. I will press page up
35.0733.0
to 33 seconds. And now I will right arrow probably about a whole second's worth to make sure I get the right ending.
33.08, 33.099 sec, 33.109 sec, 33.119 sec, 33.149 sec, 33.159 sec, 33.169 sec, 33.179 sec, 33.189 sec, 33.199 sec, 33.209 sec, 33.319 sec.
That should be good. So I'm going to set my selection start here with left bracket.
Set selection start.
I will press Control End.
37.0.
Set my selection end.
Set selection end.
And now I will press Shift S.
S. One item added.
It added the item.
2 video 1 video 1 billion. 2 video 1 billion.
This is the second item at the end. So now I will delete this.
One item removed.
And now my song is done and edited. So what I need to do now is render the file. So I'll press Alt F.
Alt F, file menu, new project, open project, save new save all project, recent close all projects, render Ctrl+Alt+R E.
And this is what I'm looking for. So I'll press enter.
Enter, leaving menus, track view, untitled, render to file dialog.
And there are tons and tons of settings in this menu, but there's one that is important. So tab until you hear output format.
Wildcards, but render to sample rate, channels, second pack, resample mode, post process, ditter mask, noise shape, metadata, primary out, format, combo box, WAV. To change the selection, use the arrow key.
Or format output is what it's called. So by default, it's set for WAV. So we need the down arrow till we hear MP3.
A, CAF, raw piece, audios, DDP, FLAC, Corpus, MP3 left parent encoder by lame project right parent.
That's what we need. So we'll tab.
Mode format combo box, MP3 mode bitrate, approx, do not write silent, do not add, save out file queue renders dry run left, render one file button to activate, press spacebar period.
And then we will press enter to render one file.
Enter, render to file dialog, render warning read only edit, use your reading keys to read the text. Always silently increment file name button to activate, press spacebar period. Left bracket unsaved project, right bracket dash Reaper v7.07. Finished in 0:02, close render window, return to renders, launch file button to activate.
And now let's launch the file and see what we got.
Enter, launch file button to activate, press space. Alt F4, render to.
So it is perfect. I hope this video helps. Thanks for watching.
Alt tab, screen sharing meeting controls.